Hi everyone, Kian here. Let's talk about resolve. One thing about what you want to do is you have to get things done. What is you actually say? Hindi lang basta sinabi mo siya pero yung pag-execute hindi mo magawa. And we must take an action. We must do something para magkaroon tayo ng progress sa isang bagay na gusto natin gawin. At mangyayari yon when we do something. When we experience something. When doing something. And by that time, you will learn a lot. Once you experience something. Once you start to doing something. And by that, you will experience things kung okay ba, kung hindi okay. Now you learn to adjust yourself na to do it again and again. So along the process of doing again and again, natututo tayo. Nalalaman natin kung ano yung dapat, yung hindi dapat, kung ano yung tama, kung ano yung hindi tama. Nalalaman natin na so the moment na paulit-ulit mo siyang ginagawa, na experience mo, mas na-adjust mo yung sarili mo na kung ngayon magaling ka, there is a progress. Sa susunod na ginawa mo ulit siya, gumanda na, and another na ginawa mo siya, mapaganda mo pa ulit. Then sa susunod na ginawa mo ulit, nakita mo yung results na mas maganda na siya. So, in our life, the things that we want, we have to take an actions of it to get the result that we want. So, hindi pwedeng inisip mo lang siya na hanggang dun ka lang. We have to take an actions on everything that we want to get the result that we want. And along the process, dun mo makikita, matututunan lahat ng mga bagay para makuha o magawa yung bagay na gusto mo in perfect timing. So, walang nag-isip tapos nakuha na agad. No. So, laging andun yung process of learning. Andun yung process of progress para mas matuto tayo, para mas maging matamis yung pagkuha natin ng result na gusto natin mangyari sa buhay natin. And that is the result